Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the 20-piece paintless dent repair rods. It's a stainless steel dent rods, whale-tail dent repair tools, professional hair dent removal tool for minor dents, door dings, and hair damage. So this video is not sponsored by this company, so I purchased with my own money. So this one original price is like $72.99, and then there's a special $10 coupon when you check out. So yeah, there are a couple of the dents I need to remove. So anyway, let's go and then open this up and then show you guys the rod. I was watching some of the repairing tool, and somebody overbid me. It's like $59.99, but I'm glad I got this set instead, because I checked on the review. It's pretty good, and this also comes with the carrying case. That's why the box is kind of huge. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys the product. Wow, the bag's pretty sturdy. Wow. Yeah, it's pretty thick. Doesn't look flimsy. And then there are pockets on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets. Okay. Oh, so it's on this side too. Huh. That's pretty good. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. The short one. That's pretty heavy. And there are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the longer one. And those are the different types of tip. Try not to get the one that you screw on with the plastic tip. Some people complain that those plastic tip, it breaks. So that's why I always read the review before I purchase products. Some of them are like a fake review. You might want to go ahead and read the bad review first instead of the positive review. And there's another tools in here. It's an instruction. So they give you a pair of white gloves. So this is the tip that I'm talking about. Don't buy the one with the PDR bars with this kind of tip. For you to punch it is fine. Come with a hammer. And this is unscrewable. So it's the yellow side. So this is for you to tap it on. They also come with a chain. And then two of the actually 3S hook and 3 of this ring. Try to see if we can open it or something. Nope. So I'm not sure if the chain is strong enough. In case you need to pull it out the dent. Yeah, last time I purchased this tool, and then it comes with so many different tips. So you got a thinner stick and then a thick one. You can tell by the handle. So this seems pretty strong, so some other professional costs about 700 or 1,000 a set, so that's way too much. This is even thicker. Right here's the thickest one. Yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.